I'm Louise. I'm a registered midwife and nurse and newborn breastfeeding specialist, and I'm proud to be partnering with Ardo to bring you this guide. This video is for parents in community, neonatal, maternity settings who may need a little extra support with feeding. Sometimes breastfeeding needs a bit of extra help, and that doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong, especially in those early days. The Ardo Supplemental Nursing System is designed to support you while keeping breastfeeding at the centre. How it works is extra milk, which might be your express breast milk or a supplement, is given to baby while baby suckles at the breast. There's very thin tubes which sit alongside the nipple, so when baby sucks, they receive the milk while staying close to you and stimulating your milk supply. Let's go through what's in the box. So this box will be sealed when you get it. I've already opened this one, so let's go through the contents. Make sure you look at the instructions. So you have a small milk container which holds the milk, 2 thin silicone tubes which carry the milk to the baby, a silicone valve and valve cap, a connection ring, adhesive strips, quite a lot of adhesive strips actually, to keep it all in place. You want to start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Before first use, disinfect all parts by boiling in water for 5 minutes or using a microwave sterilizer such as the Ardo Easy Clean. Once clean and dry, you're ready to set up. So we want to take the milk container, thread the metal rod of the lanyard like this, and then pull it tight and then place around your neck. Okay, and you want to take these and clamp them. Really easy to do, like so. You want to feed them both through the clamps to start with, and you can pour your express breast milk or milk into the bottle, which I've already done with the one that I'm wearing. Okay, and I've got both tubes are clamped and this one is taped to the breast. So when they're clamped, it blocks the flow of milk. You want to hang the bottle around your neck, and it is adjustable at the back of your neck, okay, like so. So you want to position the tubes so it sits level with the nipple, and we have these stickers like so. If you're feeding from one breast, attach the second tube to the bottle. If you're feeding from both, you can attach to the other breast. So if you see here, I've got one clamped and one attached here. Make sure it's not on the areola, okay? And you want to, when baby's suckling, you want to make sure that the tube goes to the top or to the bottom, not at the side, okay? So when you're starting the feed, when baby begins to suck at the breast, with the tube in the mouth, you want to release from here. It's really important that baby is actively suckling, and then you see the milk will start to flow. After 10 to 20 seconds, you can release the second tube if you wish. So that's completely released, and you will see milk will start to flow. When you see any air bubbles rising, you see milk is flowing. You can adjust the flow by raising or lowering the bottle. Higher means faster flow. You can also apply light pressure to the bottle while using the system. I'm just going to clamp these because milk is flowing. Really easy to do. Make sure that you seek any advice from lactation consultant or medical professional when you're using this system. When you're done, disassemble the system into individual parts. Rinse all parts with cold water first, then fill the bottle with cold water and reassemble fully and squeeze to flush water through the tubes. Repeat with warm soapy water, then rinse again with cold water. Lay all parts on a clean cloth to air dry, and make sure everything is clean and dry before sorting. One of the really good things about this system is it has 2 extra tubes already included. So if you're cleaning one or disinfecting one, then you can use one of the other tubes. and you want to disinfect probably once a day, but wash thoroughly after each use. So there's some really important benefits to this system. Your baby gets extra milk without needing bottles. This can help avoid nipple confusion and the triple feeding situation. Your baby keeps practicing natural sucking and feeding, and that's really important for building up breastfeeding skills. It can also help support your milk supply, especially if feeding has been slow to establish. You're still stimulating the breast while baby feeds. You also keep that close contact, skin to skin, comfort and connection, which is just as important as the milk itself. This system can also be planned for in advance. For example, if you know before your baby arrives that feeding may need a bit of extra support in the early days, having the SNS ready from the start can make a real difference. So you can bring it in your hospital bag. You might consider having one to hand if your baby is expected to be born early or is likely to be small for their gestational age. Babies who may be smaller have less stamina at the breast in those early days. Or if you've had previous breast surgery, such as reduction or augmentation or surgery following breast cancer, you may have reduced milk making capacity, and the SNS can help bridge that gap while keeping your baby feeding at the breast. Please speak to your medical professionals before using this system. The system can also be used for parents who are not producing milk at first. So if you're working to induce lactation, perhaps as an adopted parent or same-sex partner, the SNS allows you to begin feeding at the breast right from the start, before milk supply is even established. Whatever your situation, this is something that you can discuss with your midwife, lactation consultant, your medical team, antenatally, so you feel prepared and supported from day one. It's flexible, you can use it for as long as you need and gradually reduce it as feeding improves. It's also simple to clean, and it's got spare tubes, which is really great, and very few parts to wash and sterilize. It's a really, really small box that can fit into your hospital bag. So now, I'll be honest, it can feel a little unfamiliar at first, and it might take a bit of practice. But with the right support, most parents find it becomes much easier than expressing breastfeeding and bottle feeding, triple feeding. And over time, this can also be phased out. It is not a sign of failure, it's a supportive tool to help meet your baby's needs while protecting your breastfeeding journey. If you'd like more support, I have in-depth breastfeeding courses designed to build your confidence and guide you step by step. You can find the details in the links below. You don't have to figure this out alone. Thank you. I'm Louise.